Hello guys, welcome to Coding Up. So today I have come with a new program of if else. So this is a program as you can see which is displayed on the screen that this is a program. So what the program is saying, a computer salesman get a commission on the following. Computer salesman is going to get a commission for the following and you have to design a program for this. So this is a sales if from rupees 0 to 20,000, if he sells the product he will be getting the commission 3%. If he able to sales from rupees 20,000 to 50,000, he is going to get 12%. Okay, if he is able to sell above or 50,000, he is going to get 31%. So we have to design a program according fulfilling this condition. So you can see that we require basically what if we require, because we have a three conditions, along with that we have a following commission along with them. What the question is saying, after accepting the sales as an input, so we have to take and sales as an input. That means we have to use scanner or buffer reader, anything you can use. Calculate and print. What we have to calculate and what we have to print is that his commission. So we have to calculate his commission amount, what commission amount he is getting on this particular sales. Okay, and the rate of commission, so in which rate he is belonging, basically that we have to calculate. We have to calculate the rate of commission. So the question is very much clear to you all, hope so. So let us start the program. Okay, let me start the program. Before that, let me comment this question. So let me comment this question. So this question has been commented by me. Now start the program. Since question is asking for a sales to be inputted by the user, so we require buffer reader or scanner. Let me use scanner. Input java dot util dot asterisk. You can, in place of asterisk, you can use scanner also. Okay, then class, we have to name the class, that is writing com. Okay, so that is been written by me. Okay, com I have written. Then I am using public static void main string args. Wait, let me, okay, let me close this one. This is getting, I'm getting problem with this. Let me close this particular thing. Okay, now it will not coming. Okay, what we have to input, what input we have to take basically. So first of all, we have to take a cell input. According to that particular cell, we are going to calculate our things. So let me take double for this cell. Okay, more, what we have to take, we have to take commission amount that we will be actually getting on the following product after we are calculating. So let me commission set it as 0. Okay, 0.0. Since it is a double, we are setting as 0.0. Fine. Rate, we have to calculate the rate. So rate, since it is in percentage and it is in int form, so I am writing it as, okay. Now scanner, let's equals to name scanner. So I have created a class called scanner with the following object, and new is a keyword which is going to allocate a member. Okay, then I'm asking the user, you have to prompt, right, that enter this cell. Okay, so enter the rupees, anything you can write. So ask the user to enter the cell rupees. Okay, cell is equal to sc dot next int, sorry, next double. Since I am using double, make sure that you are also using double. So next double. Fine, this was clear that we have taken an input. Now very important, we have to start our if what, if our sales is less than what, this much amount, that is less than equal to what, do one thing. Okay, fine. Less than equals to 20,000, right? If our sale is less than 20,000, what you have to do? We have to set the sale. We have to set the rate. That is, our rate should be what? 3. So I have set the rate 3. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the commission for this particular sale. The commission is equal to sale, what sale we will be getting, into that 0.3. Fine. Because we have to calculate the commission on particular sales. So sales is 3%, so that is 0.3 it will be, and the sale which will be getting from the user. Fine. Okay. So this is the sale which we will be getting. Okay. Now you can do with if or you can use if else. If I will be using if next program I will be showing with if else if else. Okay, it's up to you. If sale is greater than equal to, let one do one thing. Make this but double only. Let's make this one. So it will look very good. Okay, fine. So my sale is lying between 20,000 and what they are saying, it should be between, right? So it should be between what? 20,000 to 50,000. Then the commission rate will be 12%. So let me design for that. Sale less than equals to what? 50,000, right? 50,000. So that corresponding rate is basically what? 12%. As you can see, you will be getting 12% if he is able to sell this product, right? Then rate will be what? 12%. Fine. And the commission on which he will be getting, commission is equal to what? On this particular sale, right? Into 0. What? Because we are always calculating in amount. That's why we are finding the. Okay, done. Now if the sale is above, right, if sale is above 50,000 or 50,000, then what is the, let me show you again, what is the rate you will getting? 31%, that is 0.31. okay, so rate equals to 31, and the commission what you will be getting, sale into 0.31. okay, these three conditions were given. Now we have to print. Yes, what we have to print is that you have to print the commission rate, you have to print the commission amount, that is, and the rate of commission. Okay, commission amount and rate of commission. Okay, so these are the commission amount, make sure that this is the commission amount and these are corresponding rate. Okay, so let me print it. System.out.println. You all know that it is used for calculating this commission amount. What is will be the commission amount? That is CWM. Similarly, what we will doing is that we will calculating the rate. For this also, system.out.println. Let me copy this one, this particular thing. You can go live for fast and copying it. Commission rate. So we have to calculate the commission rate. What will be? That is right, rate. Okay, rate. We have taken our input rate. That will be printed. Along with that, we are going to print percentage. Fine. Okay. Now close the process. Compile it. It is compiling it. Let's wait. Okay, it is asking for what? Possible logic type conversion from double to int. Okay, as I have changed to int, so let me do it int, so it must not show any error. Okay. Oh, cells, sorry, it should be cell. Okay, shell, I actually declared cell. It should be it must have been initialized. Yes, that must be initialized at particular, because rate we will be basically taking as 0. So this is the error which you will be getting. So I am showing you how to handle this error. Okay, I would have written the code sequentially, but this type of errors may arise if you are a beginner coder. Okay, make sure that this type of error must be rectified by this way. Okay, so no syntax errors. Let me close this one and let me go to the my com. Here is me execute it. Okay, let me, what was the question? Let me even show you. Okay, let me show you. Let me write 25,000. That means what it is shown. Yes, for 25,000 it was 12%, and the commission amount you will getting is 3,000. Let me show you whether our output is matching with the following codes or not. Let me show you particular thing. Okay, let me minimize it. Okay, okay, fine, it is visible. Okay, so for rate above 25,000 he will be getting 12% rate, so 12% rate, and the commission amount he will getting is 30,000. Hope so it was clear, and please do subscribe my channel, and I will be uploading more video regarding this. So thank you for watching my video.